Two legends, one showroom. Today we're looking at the icons that defined American muscle. This is the legendary 1967 Mustang, bold design, aggressive stance, and pure muscle heritage. And right next to it, its biggest rival, the 1967 Camaro, Chevrolet's answer to the Mustang.
The long hood, the sharp body lines, and that iconic pony badge make the Mustang instantly recognizable. The Camaro takes a different approach, wider stance, bold grille, and a design built for performance.
Inside the Mustang, you get classic ages, vintage styling, and that true driver-focused cockpit.
The Camaro's interior feels sporty and aggressive, built for drivers who love raw power.
Under the hood, a powerful V8 engine that defined the muscle car era. And the Camaro answers with its own roaring V8, built for speed and power. One rivalry, two legends, the Mustang and the Camaro. So tell me, which one wins your heart? The Mustang or the Camaro?